Stay off rock, Jedi. Jedi.
I think I'll just be happy today. Say cheese.
How old do you have to be to drive a boat?
You know, I don't know. That's a good question. I wonder if that's like a driver's.
Because I know it's 16 for like motorcycles and cars. And like 12.
I got a kangaroo. I got a kangaroo. That's so neat. Look at the little crab on it. Let's see the top. That is beautiful. Look at the little crabs. Do you see all those fish?
Huh?
Do you see all those fish right there? Look. Just a matter of time before you make up your mind. See all the love that you've been hiding.
You go to Fort Myers.
It's the question of when. Told you time and again.
I lost the glove.
Oh no. Sooner or later, love is gonna get you. Sooner or later, girl, you're about to get it. Sooner or later. This is Hug. Be sure that you hug a tree today. And hug yourself. And hug everyone you love. It should be everyone. Sweet peace and joy. Instead of fear and hate. Let's walk down to the shower. Let's walk down to the shower. I had to come hug a tree.
Is this the coconut tree?
Oh no, this isn't like, this is a mangrove, but the tree at the end, his name is Hug, and this is Larry, Curly, and Mo.